Hi guys, it's Shell
Hey, it's me.
and Clint.
Hi guys. Been forever, hadn't it?
It has been a while, but I want to show you what Clint's doing.
Yeah, let me go get a couple.
And anyways, we're coming back to the website or to the YouTube. We have just been busy with my, having the surgery and recovering from that and all kinds of stuff. Clint broke his foot. I don't think he cut his finger anymore.
No, I haven't done that.
Hold on just a sec. So Clint is making ink blenders, and he's got some gorgeous ones. These are aspen.
These are the ones with the red, the brownish kind of a red. They're a diseased aspen. We have a fungus that's killing our aspens. And I was lucky enough to find a couple.
But it will be first come, first served. They are in the store right now.
Yeah.
So if you want an ink blender, then now's the time to maybe think about getting one.
Definitely, because they are beautiful, I must admit. That is some pretty wood. I just love that wood.
Yeah, I like it. So he's working on those. I think we have 10 available in the store, maybe a couple more. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to walk out to the studio so you guys can see what's going on out there. Oh, you guys, I tell you, I have missed you guys so much. We had electric, I don't know if I told you guys that, put out here in the studio about a year or so ago. So I haven't fixed my walkway. Starting to feel much better. We've had a lot going on. My brother's in the hospital. He with diabetes, but see, there's our electric. I need to paint this, and I kind of want to, put new siding on it and then do like a mural. Wouldn't that be pretty? So you guys let me know what I should do. That's my goal for this year. But anyways, my brother's been in the hospital, and while he was in there, his wife, Danita, she's been bedridden since she had that sepsis, and anyway, she just passed away last week. And he told us not to come because he's in the hospital and there's nothing we can do, but her family's all there, so they're helping him. This is the mess. The studio. Yes, I tripped in here earlier and fell, but I'm fine. So I will be doing a clean with me, go over stuff like all those pieces over there. I want to condense them, put them up so they're easier to get to, and kind of organize a lot because a lot of Clint stuff is now out here. The fabric and stuff like that. And plus we do have an upper storage here, upper area up here that I need to climb up there and organize up there, so things that don't belong down here, we have stained glass and stuff, we might be visiting that again. I don't know, but we're gonna have a lot of stuff going into the website, the Etsy. My brain's not working. But yeah, I mean, I have a lot of stuff that we've gotten in the last year, like, oh, we might do this again or we might do that again. I've been drawing still every day, but I do want to revisit the junk journals and secret journaling spots, things like that. Tons of stuff that we brought out here. So like I said, we will have quite a few things, maybe some covers and stuff going in the Etsy store, but it is open again, and that is the Ramblin' Crafter on Etsy. There will be a link below. But yeah, it's a mess out here. I definitely want to get rid of this table because it's just a catch-all, but we have this table that I want to put against the wall and make it so that Clint can get to his stuff and he's able to sew, because we have so many cats inside and they're all over us. It's kind of like, what are you gonna do? So let me know if you're interested in seeing a organize with me video, or 5. So I've been watching I've been on semaglutide for almost a year now, and I'm down just over 40 pounds. My blood sugar, I come off a couple of my diabetes medications. I've come off that, and some other medicines. I'm feeling pretty good. So today it feels like spring. It's beautiful out. I know everything's a mess. We just haven't felt like doing a whole lot. But yeah, and I thought, I was watching my 600 pound life. Have you guys seen that? Oh my gosh. Anyways, I just feel bad. I mean, I know they do it to themselves, but it's mental. A lot of it's mental. And I was just feeling like a slug, and I thought, you know, I can walk to the end of my driveway very easily, and some of them can barely walk across their living room. So it just made me want to get out and walk. So I'm going to walk down to the end of the driveway and get the trash cans. We've been doing stuff in the house still. We're almost done with the bedroom, not 100%, but probably over 50% done. Like I said, Clint broke his foot, and then he re-broke it a couple of times.
Yeah, and I never had it casted.
Well, it was really just the pinky toe.
Yeah, it damaged the tendons.
Yeah, he's having some foot issues. His hands are really hurting. I'll just walk and tell you. This is our new guy. Clint got this for his birthday last year. I need to take the wreath off. It'd be kind of cute to put like hearts or something on it for Valentine's Day, but his name is Clarence. And then for Halloween, we have a Clyde, which is a skeleton we got at a yard sale that they named Clyde. So, yeah. So anyways, that is what is going on here. But I'm ready to get back with you guys. I've been missing you. Look how skinny my shadow is. I have actually had to, Charlotte, my best friend Charlotte, and I went to the thrift store last week because my clothes are getting too big and too baggy. So I had to buy some new clothes. And semaglutide is similar to like Ozempic. You know, it's not similar, I guess, but it's in that same category. So thought I would bring you guys down, pick up these trash cans. I have to do, well, I'm gonna do 2 at a time, so I have to put you guys away. But mainly I just wanted to say hi. And we love you guys. It's windy out here. We're supposed to get some rain. Wouldn't that be cool? You can kind of see the clouds in the sky. Some snow and stuff tomorrow. We do have to run to Durango. It's been really, really slow. So, which is another reason I just wanted to get out of the house today. And that's about all that's going on. So, love you guys. Be sure and say hi and stop by the store if you're interested in any ink blenders. And we'll have more stuff. I think I'm going to totally revamp the store. There's a bunch of stuff in there that hasn't moved in forever. And see if we can get you guys some new stuff. So, love you guys. See you soon. Bye.